Ebike. The ebike Power Bicycle Modification Kit, also known as the Power Wheel, is an innovative electric booster designed for easy installation and enhanced riding performance. Weighing only 2 kilograms, this lightweight device is perfect for both mountain and road bikes, offering a seamless and non-intrusive way to electrify a traditional bicycle. The quick 30-second installation ensures that even those with minimal technical skills can set it up without hassle. One of its standout features is the customizable assistance levels, allowing riders to choose from ultra-fast, relaxed, moderate, and economic modes via a dedicated mobile app. This personalization enhances the overall riding experience, catering to different needs, whether for high-speed commuting or energy-saving long-distance rides. With a maximum speed of 25 km per hour and a range of up to 50 km, the Power Wheel provides a solid balance between speed and endurance. Safety is another key advantage of this kit. Integrated lighting strips serve both as battery indicators and dynamic safety lights that change patterns based on riding speed, improving visibility in low-light conditions. Additionally, the elastic shock absorption system ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces like gravel roads. Overall, the ebike Power Wheel is a practical, portable, and eco-friendly solution for cyclists looking to upgrade their bikes with an electric boost. It's an excellent choice for urban commuters and adventure riders alike. Risen Motor. The Risen Motor Bafang UART 1000W Mid-Drive Motor Kit is an excellent choice for cyclists looking to convert their bikes into high-performance electric machines. Featuring a powerful 1000-watt motor with a peak torque of 160 Nm, this mid-drive kit delivers exceptional power for tackling steep inclines and rugged terrains. Whether you're upgrading a commuter bike, mountain bike, or fat bike, this kit offers compatibility with bottom brackets ranging from 68mm to 120mm, making it a versatile option for a variety of bike frames. One of the key advantages of the Bafang BBSHD 1000W kit is its efficiency and natural riding experience. Since the power is transmitted through the bike's chain rather than a hub motor, it provides better torque distribution, reducing strain on the wheels and ensuring improved climbing ability. This setup not only enhances performance but also extends the life of the drivetrain components. Additionally, the motor placement at the bike's center of gravity contributes to a balanced ride, making it feel more stable and natural. Installation is made easy with the included video guide, allowing users to convert their traditional bikes into electric-powered rides with minimal effort. The kit supports 3 riding modes: full electric, pedal-assisted, and standard pedaling, offering flexibility based on the rider's preference. The package includes all necessary components, from an LCD display and throttle to brake levers and a speed sensor, ensuring a complete and smooth conversion process. Overall, the Risen Motor Bafang UART 1000W Mid-Drive Kit is a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-powered, efficient, and reliable e-bike conversion. Its powerful motor, well-balanced design, and ease of installation make it ideal for riders who demand performance and versatility. Swytch. The Swytch Electric Bike Conversion Kit is a high-powered solution for riders looking to upgrade their bicycles into fast and efficient e-bikes. Featuring a 48-volt 2000-watt rear gearless hub motor, this kit delivers impressive performance, reaching speeds of 50 to 60 km per hour with a torque output of up to 94.6 Nm. Designed for wheel sizes from 24 to 29 inches, it is compatible with a variety of bike types, including mountain, road, and commuter bikes. The gearless construction ensures a smooth and quiet ride while maintaining high efficiency levels of over 80%. One of the standout features of this conversion kit is the battery options. Available in 13 Ah, 20 Ah, and 24 Ah configurations, the Hylon lithium battery provides excellent range and reliability. With a peak discharge current of 40 amp and built-in protection against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits, these batteries are designed for longevity and safety. The inclusion of a high-quality electric controller, LCD SW900 display, and pedal assist sensor further enhances the riding experience by offering multiple riding modes and real-time performance tracking. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary components included, such as brake levers, a thumb or twist throttle, a controller box, and a waterproof cable system. The kit also features a built-in headlight, improving visibility for night riding. Overall, the Swytch electric bike conversion kit is an excellent choice for riders seeking high-speed performance, extended battery life, and a smooth riding experience. Whether for commuting or recreational use, this kit delivers power, durability, and convenience in one package.
Yeah.